Kitchen. I'm Chef Eileen and this is
Chef Mario. I'll be subbing for Eon.
Okay. Did not expect that. That's scary. And today we're making, drum roll please. Okay, that's just still scary. Mario. Where's Ian?
I captured him in a sip.
Okay, so we're making Cuban chicken barbacoa. So the kitchen rules are: make sure you wash your hands, your work here is clean, you have adult supervision. Never turn on a stove without adult supervision because you can burn yourself, and that's bad. But the most important rule of the kitchen is
Cuckoo! On a Mario scavenger hunt!
did your teeth just come out?
Oopsie daisy.
Okay, that's just weird, but okay, let's try again. The most important rule of the kitchen is
Safe and fun.
bam! So now, let's get cooking! So now these are the ingredients. We're gonna need our chicken, obvious. It's 3 pounds of chicken thighs without bones. And then we're gonna need orange juice, lime juice,
Salt, garlic, and whoosh, a bag.
okay. And this is the ingredients for our adobo. You can either buy it or make it. We recommend you make it because it tastes even more delicious.
Sorry, my nose is falling.
What? Okay, let's start marinating.
Whoosh, I have 2 noses. Which one is there?
You need the pinchies. Okay, put the chicken in.
Wait, first, a little trick. You see Mario, now you see Eon.
You were eating the whole time? So now we're gonna put our chicken.
Boneless chicken thighs.
Yes. Oh, and for the garlic, we put 6 garlic. And there were 6 garlics. They were big, but if you're using smaller ones, you should use 8. So make sure you marinate your chicken for at least 3 hours or overnight.
So much chickens.
We know you're eating already. It's fine. It's fine. So now we're gonna pour our orange juice.
Orange.
Our lime juice. Our garlic and our salt. Make sure you get all of it in. So now make sure your bags are sealed because then everything's gonna come out. You don't want that. So now we're gonna shake it and let it marinate for 3 hours.
Sicky. Oh wait, I'm calling but I can go, ooh.
Are you sure you're a hologram?
Yeah.
Okay. Boy, that's crazy. That's crazy. You're not a hologram. Okay, let's just keep shaking. Shake it. And now we're gonna let it marinate for 3 hours. So our chicken is done marinating. So now we're gonna get our bowl and we put a bag inside.
We're gonna need paprika, black pepper,
And salt.
And we're gonna need our,
All-purpose flour. We're using gluten-free all-purpose flour.
you could just use flour.
So I'm gonna put my chicken in the bag.
I'm gonna put my seasonings, what powder, and I'm gonna mix it. Ooh, it's turning cool colors. Smells so good. It smells like paprika. Peppered eggs.
Deviled eggs.
Well, I like deviled eggs. It smells like deviled eggs. But you can put paprika on deviled eggs.
Mmm, true.
And they taste
I want
delicious.
deviled eggs.
Mm. Let's make some.
Yay!
So make sure that you barely have any juice or anything in your bag.
Only your chicken breast boneless.
Chicken breast.
Breast?
Chicken thighs.
Okay, so now we're gonna sprinkle little by little of our flour into our chicken.
And you're gonna be mixing it.
Shaking it.
Shake, mix, and
So now to shake it.
so all of the bread can get everywhere.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay, so now our chicken is all ready. So now we're gonna get it out, and we use the bag because it takes less time to, get all the bread on it. It's messy. You don't have to clean up much, so.
Let's think.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put our butter stuff.
Okay, so we're gonna wait for it to melt, and then we're gonna put our chicken. And make sure you always hold your pan.
If you're gonna do this,
Safety.
safety first.
First. We're ready, and now we're gonna put our chicken. And it's gonna start to sprinkle, but don't be scared, because then,
You're gonna get burned, so
and
don't get
drop the
scared.
chicken.
It's okay. And if you want, you could do one by one.
Do we drop our chicken in there?
No.
Why?
So, because it's gonna go.
Oh, okay.
And your face and híjole.
Not that.
So we have to add one piece at a time?
Well, that's only if.
And when do I know if the chicken is ready?
We're
When it
waiting for it to
changes-
get golden.
When it changes color.
Okay.
And then you get your pizzas and you put them in a bowl.
I got it. Thank you so much.
You're ready from.
Chicken wings, hot dogs and bologna, chicken macaroni,
Cheesy macaroni. After the macaroni. Oh no, Mario's back now. We don't want your little hairs on the food. How do you do that? So now it's time to turn them. Turn over. And you see they're kind of like a golden color. And let's flip this one. So we're just gonna repeat this process until all of our chicken is done.
So
And
it's gonna take around 2 to 3 minutes for the chicken to get a little bit of color,
Yeah,
right?
like-
Okay.
Mario's back.
Okay, Mario. Shoo shoo. Bye bye. Give it to Mario. Okay, so we'll see you when it's done. So now Ian's gonna get the rest of our chicken out because it's ready. So now
I'm gonna take out my last chicken.
and now these are the ingredients for our salsa. So we're gonna need ketchup, lambrusco, sweet wine. We're gonna need lime, sugar, soy sauce, and onion. 1 white onion. So now we're gonna pour everything in.
Ketchup and sweet wine and lime juice.
Get ready. Get off and get.
Okay, so we wait until it is translucent.
Yep.
it smells amazing. And what else are we gonna do after? The chicken looks delicious.
It does.
Check this out. So what are we gonna do next?
So after our onion is translucent,
Onion is gonna mix the stuff and she's gonna put it in here.
Yeah, but after your sauce is done, what are we gonna do?
put our chicken.
So I can't eat it?
No.
Pero tengo hambre.
Yo también, mamá, pero no podemos comerlo ahora.
Pero ¿por qué no? I'm hungry.
Yo también.
Me too.
Pero vaya, ya, tira eso ahí para comer.
Sí.
El horno está listo.
Yeah.
Our oven is ready.
Yeah,
Sí.
our onion isn't ready. Our oven.
I think the onion is ready too.
Yeah, I was correct.
Okay, so we're gonna do our sauce and then we're gonna pour it in on chicken and then we're gonna put our chicken in the oven. Yummy on my tummy. Okay, Aileen.
Ketchup.
Gacho.
Ketchup.
Pikachu. Jose.
Wow.
Jose, Mose.
No sense. No sense. So now we're gonna put our wine.
Cooking. Oh wait, no. Sweet.
Lambrusco.
Lambrusco. Eka.
What?
Ooh.
And then our lime juice. Our sugar.
Oh, sugar, sugar.
Sugar.
Slowly, slowly.
Slow.
And last but not least, our soy sauce. Smells delicious.
Okay, not so slow.
So now, make sure that when you're mixing, you don't mix super fast, or because your hand's gonna get burnt when you're
Like
going.
that.
Yeah,
And you don't want that. It is
You have to go-
burning.
like this.
Oh, and keep your arm up. Yes,
Yeah.
that's.
So make sure when you see the bubbles, that means it's simmering. So you're gonna pour it in your chicken and put your chicken in here.
In a tray.
Yeah, in one of these trays.
Okay. So we will wait until for another 3 minutes. It takes like around from 3 to 5 minutes to start simmering.
Yeah.
How does that smell, Ian?
It smells amazing.
I can
right?
see Ian's face.
It's gonna taste amazing all together.
Okay.
So now we put our chicken on our tray pan, and now my mom is gonna help me safely pour this on our chicken. If you can't do it, well, if you can't do it, don't try to because you're gonna end up getting burnt or hurt. So always ask for help. Safety first. So now my mom is pouring it onto our chicken,
Slowly, carefully.
and it looks amazing. So now we're gonna seal our chicken up. Oh, and we're gonna put our oven at 325 degrees, and we're gonna let it cook for an hour and 15 minutes. And meanwhile, we're gonna make some rice. So, oh my gosh, guys, this thing smells amazing. And just wait until all the flavors are combined. So remember, it's 320 feet. We're gonna put our oven at 325 degrees for an
1
hour and 15 minutes.
And we're gonna make some
So we're back. And while we were making our food, we made our rice and our plátanos fritos.
So now to try it.
Keep me.
It's so tender. Ian just wants to get the whole thing.
It's so good.
It's falling apart.
Is that tender?
It's so juicy.
Yeah. Let me try the plátano.
It's so tender, and the sauce gives it such an amazing flavor.
Ian is like, just let me keep eating. Oh, so I'm eating the one in the middle. Chon, chon,
Why?
chon.
Everything's so good. Now, bye! Make sure you subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and ring the bell. Ding! I hope we put a smile on your face. Bye!
We hope you enjoyed this recipe.
Yep.
We're gonna continue eating. And I'm taking this one. Bye!